Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expressions displayed on the screen. To simplify each of these expressions, I'm going to follow 3 steps. Step 1, I'm going to expand the first binomial x plus 1 in parentheses squared by using the formula for binomial square. A plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. As a step 2, I'm going to expand the second binomial, x minus 1 in parentheses squared, by using the formula for binomial square for a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And finally, as a step 3, I'm going to add all like terms. Like terms are the ones that have the same variable which is raised to the same power. Now I'm going to show how to do these 3 steps to simplify the first expression, x plus 1 in parentheses squared plus x minus 1 in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula for the first binomial, it equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. For the second binomial, this equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1. And finally, as the next step, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are x squared, 2x, and 2x, and finally 1 and 1. When I add them in pairs, I get 2x squared. Now, 2x squared and minus 2x squared are the same like term with opposite signs, therefore their sum equals to 0, or they cancel out. I'm going to cross them out to show that they cancel out, and I'm not going to write the 0. And then finally we have 1 plus 1, which equals to 2. Therefore, when simplified, this expression equals to 2x squared plus 2. Next, I'm going to do that and follow the same 3 steps to simplify the second expression, x plus 1 in parentheses squared minus x minus 1 in parentheses squared. Now, when I apply the formulas for binomial square, again, I get x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus, and now I have to put a parenthesis because I have a negative sign in front of it, and then apply the formula. So this equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1, the same way like the previous example. Next, before I can add the like terms, I need to open the parenthesis with a negative sign in front. This is going to equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. When I open the parenthesis, the negative sign flips the sign of each term within the parenthesis. In other words, x squared has positive sign in front, therefore, with the negative, it will become negative x squared or minus x squared. Now I have negative and negative, meaning minus and minus, and minus. Then I have plus 2x, and then negative and positive, which gives me negative 1. Okay, and now I can add all like terms. Again, I have x squared, negative half squared are my two like terms. Then we have 2x and 2x, and finally plus 1 and minus 1. Now x squared and negative half squared are the same term with negative sign, with opposite sign. Therefore, they cancel out. Then I have 4x, 2x and 2x makes 4x. And what I have left is plus 1, minus 1, which also cancel out. In other words, because their sum equals to 0, because they're the same term with opposite signs. Therefore, simplify this expression. This expression, when we simplify it, it equals to 4x, which is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more math solutions.